Yes, you read the video title correct. I am going to fix your car for free on Sunday, this coming Sunday, 7 o'clock. So stay tuned and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. Sorted. Welcome to another Budget and Leggit video. Yes, so we are going to fix your car for free on Sunday. I'm going to be showing you Diagnose Dan's new Ddtsb and how it works and why every garage should have one. The two questions I always get asked is, where do I get all my information from and what is the best scan tool? And when I explain to people that especially information, Ddtsbs and everything else, you have to subscribe to loads of different people to get a big broad range of it, and it's very expensive, and it obviously puts everybody off because the normal person isn't going to do it. But this particular one is less than a cup of coffee a day, less than £1 a day to get all the information you could possibly ever get. They always add into it. You can actually even get technical support with people that specialize in certain vehicles, Ford, Volkswagen, Toyota, etc, etc. So the information that's on there is absolutely a game changer. But what's really absolutely fantastic about it, and I will show you in the video coming, the live stream coming up, is not only is there pictures and Ddtsbs, there's even videos. So there's videos from different people showing you that fault and how they fixed it, because most mechanics, let's face it, you know, we learn from watching stuff rather than reading stuff, and this, you've got the best of both worlds. You can read it, you can look at the pictures, and in certain cases you can watch the videos on actually how to repair it. I'm going to quickly show you the program, show you what it looks like. So all I need you to do is in the comment section down below, give me your registration, give me the error code you are having, and on Sunday I will answer a few of them, we'll get them on and we'll do it live, and we will fix your car for free. Sorted. So here you go, this is Diagnose Dan's Ddtsb, and I just quickly put up a Volkswagen Golf. You can actually search for the registration, depend on your country, they're going to add more to that very soon. So we've just got a Golf, it's a 1.6, and I'm just going to go to bulletins and I'm just going to select show all, and you'll just see how many bulletins there is for this particular car. We've got 3 different categories of bulletins. We've got critical bulletins, then we have, you can just see here, we have specialists, and we have general right down at the bottom, but obviously there's going to be loads of these, so you'll get the idea. But again, I'll show you a lot more on that. And you can see here there is some little play buttons, because in that particular case, not only do you have a Ddtsb, you have a video. So we'll quickly go into this, and as you can see, if my internet speeds up, we have the problem here, the error code, how to test it, what you need to do, what to look for. And if you're unsure of even that, what you can actually do is you can go right down to the bottom. You can actually see a dead cylinder there, look, that is a relative compression test, and you can see a dead cylinder. So, but if you're unsure of that, if that doesn't really make sense to you, because you're like, well, how do you set up this, or how do you do that, you can actually go into the video and you can watch the video on that particular case. So we'll show you how to set up the scope and exactly what it means. So it's not just pictures, it's not just writing, it's actual videos for certain problems as well, which is obviously absolutely fantastic. And then if you are still struggling after that, that's the bulletins. You can then type in the error code, which give you the definition of the code. But it's the bulletins you really need to go for. The error code, it just gives you the definitions. But then we've got the hotline. So if you're struggling to fix the car, or there isn't any information on your specific code to your car, you can go and you can push new case, and you can actually talk to some very good technical guys that specialize on certain vehicles. Ford, Toyota, Volkswagen, BMW, Mercedes, whatever it happens to be, because let's face it, we all need help at some time. We're not going to be an expert on every different type of model of car, but we've got experts for different types of vehicles. So if you're struggling, bang, new case, tell them all the information you've got. You will get a message back. You might even get a phone call, and you can actually go through everything with them. So you can actually get your car fixed. But on Sunday, we are going to show you how we can fix your car for free. So put all the information down below. Number plates, error codes, absolutely everything, and we will fix your car for free. So we'll see you Sunday, 7 o'clock. And we're going to now sign off.
Don't forget to get your hands dirty. See you on the next bodgit and leggit video.